Okay, fortunately I noticed that my watch was hanging on my wrist because I'd lost the clip here. I'd lost that bit. I've never found that. I've lost that, but at least I've got my watch. So there you are. Fortunately, on this model, Garmin have made it dead easy. They know that we're wearing these watches all the time. We're putting a lot of strain on them. I do DIY in them. I go swimming in them. So let's see. Fortunately, they put an easy release. It's this pull switch. Pull it back. Pull it out. Okay. So here's the near unit. Sorry, the new unit. Push that into the hole on one side. Push the clip. And then I heard the click. Did you hear the click? Double check. Let's check. The other side was still okay, but I've replaced it anyway. Same method. Just pull back the clip, and out it pops. Why have I replaced it? Well, I mean, it's presumably lost some of its strength, but I'll keep it in a cupboard